Hi, hello. Let's make a simple climbing volume. I saw many people doing that in different software. I am using Solidworks, and I think it will be easy to show how it can be done. First of all, I'm drawing a pretty random rectangle with dimensions. I'm like making only setting two dimensions, 400 by 800. I think it's enough. It's okay. You can specify more of the dimensions, of course, if you want to, but this is like for the showing of the purpose. Now I am extruding the geometry of it, and which is important, I am setting the angle of extrusion. And with this 30, it is a little bit high, maybe 45. Okay, you can as well, let's say, make it shorter, the extrusion with that angle, but I don't want it. It's interesting pattern. Okay. Mm, Next step is to set the thick thickness of the structure. The function it's called shell, and there you have it. Last one thing, we need to cut the object to pieces. Therefore, I am setting the lines, or I will just cut them through that lines. I know maybe it can be done a little bit easier than that, but I will right now mark every line. They're marked, and I am offsetting to both sides, zero point 0.2 millimeters, everything, and afterwards I'm cutting excess material. Okay, that line still need to be trimmed. Yeah. Everything when everything is trimmed well, then the surface is highlighted with gray color. Okay. Last part, last cross section, and I am then just like cutting through everything. Okay, and yeah, cut. You can cut through everything. Okay, and there you have it. You have your object. Let's say cut it to specific. You can isolate every single one part of it, or separately you can save it. And you can just like make drawing of it or something if you need to, or just take that kind of shape to CNC machine if you want to. Okay, you have over here as well degrees, like how it is cut. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.